How's it going, everyone? Dear Girl here. We've just had a brief power outage. It lasted about maybe 5 seconds, but it was enough to kick off my computer and then kick it back on and make us lose internet connection for a little bit. And plus I was in the middle of editing Secret War Legends, so yeah. I was able to recover the file, but the video itself is going to be delayed, I'm afraid. I don't know how long it'll take me to get it back up and running, but hope, fingers crossed. All I can say for now is take care of each other. God bless you all, and I'll see you all later.